Hi, my name's Scott. Today we're looking over this foam dart blaster. It's rated for ages 14 and older, the M1894. We're going to go ahead and open this up and show you guys what is inside the box and everything you get. This is pretty cool, my friends. Take a look at this logo. Winchester soft bullet educational model. And look at that reflection. Really nice box. Alright, let's take a look. Everything inside. So there's the presentation. We're gonna go ahead and take everything out and lay it out so it's easier to see. Okay, there's a couple things to unpack here. First off, this is the actual gun and the mechanism. On the side here, you place the ammo right in here. What's pretty cool is this is a lever action. Pull the lever back, you're ready to go. So it is pretty awesome, I have to admit. And I love the whole transparency. So as you would see, you would place the ammo inside. It would load it. It would put it down the barrel. And boom. Which is pretty cool. So these are your shells. And you load them with the foam bullets. You have your tools in here as well. You have your stock. So this is your stock. And of course, your barrel, which is really cool. You have your sight on here that you can adjust as well. So it's basically like the real thing, which is pretty awesome. When you put this together, you're gonna put a screw down right in here once you have that locked in place. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. They provide you with the screws and everything, so do not worry. And you also get the screwdriver, which is great. So it looks like the plastic is a little hard there. So you might want to have a glove or something that has grip to turn this. You're going to put a screw down in the other side as well. So both sides. And so for ours, our plastic was not cut out completely. So we're just going to help it along with making the hole a little bigger right here with our knife. So if your screw goes in a little tough and you can't get it in, you can either drill it out or you can make the hole just a slightly bigger, which makes it easier for turning in. I do have one recommendation for the brand. So this little driver, it doesn't really have any grip points. So I think if they would redo this or add one that you can grab better, because this is a little tough for an adult to put together if you have bigger hands. Because if the screws don't go in perfectly, you got to really squeeze tight and really turn it. And it just wants to spin because there's nothing to actually grip. So just keep that in mind maybe for the brand. If the brand wants to make one that has maybe knobs that stick out to make it easier to hold on to, I highly recommend they do that. Now you slide the stock over and then you make this bolt tight. So you put this in and make sure everything is the whole way up. Use the tool that they provide you. And we're just going to thread this in now that we have it in here. And to know you put it in right, when you push and slide this, this should pop out a little bit. So if you have that push the whole way down and you close it and push this piece up against, this should pop out. So keep that in mind. And when that pops out, you push it back down in and you go ahead and you make it tight. You might have to push down in for it to get threaded. So if it doesn't thread, just apply pressure by pushing down in and turn. Again, it's a little awkward to do that. Alright guys, so when you're loading this up, you place your ammo in here like that. And then you're going to make sure you cock it really hard. If it doesn't like do anything, you have to pull it harder. So there, it actually popped it out. So how it's going to work is you're going to place down inside. You're going to load it like this. And you fire. Alright guys, so then when you lift it up, it actually pops the shell out. So now we're going to go ahead, we're going to place another bullet in. Make sure it goes to the top. And as you can see, it'll pop it out. So here is what I recommend doing. I recommend having 2 in. So let me show you guys here. Give me one moment while we load this up. So place 1 in the side here. We're going to load it in. And then we're going to go ahead and place another one in here already. Now we're going to fire. As you can see, we're going to pop that one out. Load the other one in. And we're going to put another one in right away now. So just like this, we're going to pop another one in. So we have 2. We're going to fire. Just like that. Now sometimes when you do this, it doesn't want to activate. So I noticed you got to go hard. And sometimes you have to go really hard. You have to like pull it real hard. If you go soft, it doesn't want to actually pressurize. So if you go slow, it doesn't do anything. At least that's mine. So when I go like that, nothing happens. But if I go hard, that's when it works. But overall, pretty nice. Just remember, if you pull it softly like this and nothing happens, softly, nothing happens, just go hard, down, hard, down, and then it works. That's if yours is like mine.